Welcome everyone. In this section, we are going to see what membership service provider is. A mechanism that provides members with a set of roles and permissions within the network is the responsibility of membership service provider. The implementation of MSP requirement is a set of folders that are added. So these folders contains the private and public key for each of the entities that are present in the network. It has two types, which has local MSP and channel MSP. So let us see the association with MSP and certification authority. Certification authorities issues identities by generating a public and private keys, which forms a key value pair that can be used to prove the identity. Because a private key can never be shared publicly, a mechanism is required to enable the proof, which is where the MSP comes in picture. For example, a peer uses its private key to digitally sign or endorse a transaction. So the MSP is a mechanism that allows that identity to be trusted and recognized by the rest of the network without ever revealing the member's private key. So this is where MSP and certification authority or certificate authority goes hand in hand. So certificate authority generates the certificates that represents identities. The MSP contains the list of permissioned identities. Also, it is MSPs that turns an identity into role by identifying specific privileges of an actor that has a node or a channel. So note that when a user is not registered with a Fabric CA, a role of admin, peer, client, orderer, or member must be associated with the user. So these are the default rules that we have seen in the previous lecture. So when a user is registered, this has to be one of these has to be associated with the user. So this is about MSP, which is a short lecture. So please go through the MSP, and when we go to the practical section, where the lab section, we are going to see where actually the public and private key resides, and how the program or the Hyperledger network picks up that and uses as an identity to recognize a particular entity or a user in the network. That is it for this lecture. I'll see you in the next lecture. In the next lecture, we are going to look into Hyperledger Fabric network, and we are going to see the formation of Hyperledger Fabric network step by step. That is it. Thank you for watching.